We're gonna show you how to 3D print things.
It's gonna be fun.
That's it. Find a nice place to work and open up Fusion. First, start a new project.
Use the sketch tool to create several rectangles for the base. Then extrude the rectangles to create a solid shape. You can stack several sketches and extrude to create complex shapes.
Next, you can use the Eilam feature once you create an offset plane. And in this way, you can connect a square to a flat circle and connect them in 3D. Once you've done so, you can play around and even spin it into a nice, neat spiral. So with these new tools at your fingertips, you can really play around and get creative and make some really neat designs for a king for your new chess set.
Curves can make a piece difficult to render, but offset planes can help you combat that. Create an offset plane and then use that to make a sketch on a surface which is not easily sketchable. Then move that sketch to your desired location and use the symmetrical extrusion tool to create your shape.
During the design process, you might run into the issue where a dimension that you did earlier on in your steps was too big or too small. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. The ball of the head is obviously way too big, but I'm already a few steps ahead. So what I have to do is scroll this little bar down here over to the head of the pawn. And then once I'm at the head of the pawn, I can click the ball like this. I do edit feature, and on edit feature I go over to diameter and I say, instead of 30 millimeters, I'd like to make it 20 millimeters. So I change it to 20 millimeters, click OK, and then scroll my little scroll bar all the way back to where I was before. And if you look, the ball is a lot smaller and the rest of the pawn fits nice and neatly all together for the final product. Yeah, I headed over to the Innovation Collab so we can print out our chess pieces. Hello, welcome to 3D Tool Mastery Printing 101. So, why do some pieces print with supports while others do not?
Well, Fran, good question. Some pieces print with support because they have a very drastic overhang which cannot be printed normally. There were some things that worked very well in this construction, especially the use of the twist, which came out very nicely.
Some things did not go so hot. We decided to put a little hole inside the horse's face all the way through to make a nice little design. But when the 3D printer put filament material, it filled up the eyeball, so you can't look all the way through it for the intended effect. You live and you learn, you know?